Alright guys, welcome to today's video. We're actually cruising along in Zeroy. I found a cool spot on Google Maps. I thought maybe we'd go play around and have some fun, maybe do some non-drag racing with this car. Let's see. Who's this guy? Hey, you need a lift?
Oh. Hey man.
Hey.
What's up?
Hey, are you that guy from that news thing?
Florida man.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah, I found this place to do things.
Yeah, I heard it's a Freedom Factory.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, can I hop in?
Yeah, go for it.
Alright.
You ever been in one of these here, Z's?
What the hell's going on, brother?
What's up?
Twin Turbsies, huh?
Yeah.
Dang.
Alright, so we are here at the Freedom Factory, and I'm about to get to see it for my very first time. For someone that doesn't know what the Freedom Factory is, can you say it in less than 10 words?
Abandoned racetrack turned into Freedom Park, aka Freedom Factory. Is that 10? Is that close?
I don't know, it's close enough. So, I was supposed to bring a drift car out here. All mine are either missing, broken, or in different states. So we brought this thing out here.
Zeroy.
Yeah?
It's only natural. This is honestly the first twin turbo car. Oh no, Leroy drove the track, but twin turbo car to do some rowdiness.
So I've never like technically drifted this car. We're gonna try to drift it today, maybe do some burnouts, but more or less like this place, the fact that you bought a racetrack, excuse my language, that is insane.
I really had to send it on that one. Actually, Adam was one of the very few people who knew, like very, very few, maybe like 3 or 4 people outside of my primary group Adam knew, so.
I feel pretty special, and I'm not gonna lie, like I was definitely intoxicated when he told me, so like he really trusted me, because that could have gone wrong.
Well, I told you, I was like, I got something to tell you, I was like, once I get a little intoxicated,
yeah.
I'll fill you in.
And still he texted everyone in my group, I was like, yo, quit. I was just playing. Alright, so am I gonna get the tour? Or?
Yeah, let's go to the front layer of Dang. Oh, these gauges, dude.
So we're walking up. I want to know everything.
Well, okay, so it's formerly known as DeSoto Speedway. It's a 3/8 oval. Been closed for the last 2 years. We just reopened it. You guys are actually seeing it in like mint condition compared to what it was a couple weeks ago. So we have mowed, trimmed, cleaned as much stuff as we could up in the last few days, but this is my favorite part because the entrance is so cool. It's like an amusement park, you know. You freaking get your ticket and it just guides you into the freedom. So come on in.
I'm super excited from this, especially after being to like a Cletus and Cars, knowing what's gonna happen with this place.
It's gonna get kind of out of control, I think.
Yeah,
it's gonna be rowdy, and like the way that the sound echoes inside there, like burnouts. I'm excited to hear that because burnouts sound insane. It just like comes back at you, all the noise.
If you ever get a chance to go to one of the Cletus and Cars events, I feel like videos don't really do it justice. I was freaking out when I pulled up and saw how many cars there were here. There are so many people, everyone's having a good time, and they got a freaking track.
So we got like office in here. How much of a tour do you want?
I mean, however much you want to give me. Fun fact, there was an insurance guy here before, and I mean, Cletus full on convinced him that there are coyotes in this room, and he was too scared to go in it.
Hold on, so there's no lights in this room, but this room, I can turn some lights on. Well, you know, we're working on the whole thing.
Look at this.
This is my new office, dude.
Dang, dude.
I actually worked out here for the first time yesterday, and it was very satisfying. I could see drag cars going down the drag strip. Pretty fire.
How much for one of these sick office chairs?
Well, do you want the moldy one or the non-moldy?
Both.
$200.
Deal.
You got a kitchen over here? Big old kitchen. Concession.
Holy crap. This is like a kitchen. So I've watched some of the videos you've been uploading, like the tours and stuff. I haven't seen the full thing, so this is like this is my first time seeing it.
So this is, dude, like they had it professionally cleaned. Luckily, this is the one thing that did get taken care of when they closed down, so it's in pretty good shape. Like it's ready to just be fired up. We are still looking for a person to like operate it all, so I don't have to.
I know, guy. This right here is the view.
Yeah, it's a main breezeway, and then, dude, this is, when I walked through here, I knew, I was like, dude, we're making this happen. It used to look a lot more run over, but now, dude, it's beautiful.
This used to be a very famous kind of like drift spot back in the day. A lot of my friends that have been drifting before me, like all their best memories came from here. So I know a lot of people are really stoked that you're bringing this place back to life.
So freaking sick, dude. I just love it here.
It's very quiet and peaceful too.
It's like my favorite place to be. I don't even want to go to the shop anymore. Like, I'd rather work out at the little shop just so we can be here. It's such a feeling. So I'm excited to see you rip it.
Yeah, I mean we'll see what she does.
We'll get spicy, brother.
Yeah.
But that's pretty much it. I mean, there's a couple other things like the merch shop, you know, the bathrooms, and then you got there's a bar down there.
Yeah?
Not set up yet, no beer yet, but we're working on it.
The videos of like you kind of exploring this place and like getting all the old stuff started, like it's been so cool because I feel like for a lot of people that have followed your channel for a while, it's like a new map, right? Like you're in a video game and it's like you got into a new world and you're learning all this stuff.
That's a good perspective. It is like a new map. It
Yeah.
literally is. Like, we mowed every ounce of it and learned so much about the property, like so many little things that I had no idea where. Dude, there's motocross, like freestyle motocross jumps out back.
No way.
Yeah.
That's
like
sick.
there's just like the most random things here. Like we found so much cool stuff.
I'm excited for you. Before we take the Z out, I'm going for a quick ride in the old Crown Vic. Freedom 500?
Freedom 500, but I don't know if just leave it at that.
Okay, well, you posted
unannounced.
who's gonna be going though, right?
I just have some teasers out. The people know what's happening, but we can't give them too much.
I'm getting a quick preview because I will be in attendance.
Pretty soon, brother, you're gonna be the proud driver of one of these Crown Victorias. One of 25.
So this is what it's gonna be like for, what, an hour long?
100 laps, but there'll be 24 other cars. I think you'll have a little more fun than just laps on your own.
God, that's kind of terrifying.
A lot of grip, right?
I'm like kind of scared right now. I'm on the outside, dude. I take it you've done this before?
A couple times. So imagine that with all of our friends.
It's way shorter when you're on the track, huh?
Oh, I mean, it's only 3/8 of a mile.
My prediction for this thing drifting, I know it's a Z, I know it'll slide well. I'm gonna struggle a little bit with angle, probably turn the power down. The one thing that's gonna make this thing kind of difficult to drift, I've got a lot of grip in the front, so it's gonna wanna rotate over the front. If I put like those Steelies on it, it would just slide in the front and I could drift it real good. But we'll make her happen.
Right.
Yeah, I think she'll be good. I mean, we just drifted a Crown Vic, so this thing better be able to.
Scandinavian flick.
I'm gonna ice her down real quick. Just for reference, I did turn the boost quite a bit down just to, I don't know. I don't wanna go and kill this car doing any drift stuff, but this will be good practice for the burnouts. It's been a while since we've done any burnouts in this thing, so hopefully it'll like it. This man Adam is crazy. All right, folks. Oh, he drifted that thing. Dude. Whoa. The drifting.
Dude, it's really weird because he's over there and it sounds like he's over here. It works, dude, it works.
It feels real good.
Dude, the sound echoing off the walls is the craziest thing.
I want to try to do like a jump initiation on here.
You trying to do the Vaughn entry? Try it out.
The handbrake doesn't really work.
Yeah, I mean,
If I think in, like,
give her a rip. If a Crown Vic can do it, so can you. All right, so Adam wants to go for the Vaughn getting entry. It's only been attempted by one man, and well, he did it on his first try. So we'll see what Adam's got under his sleeve. Oh my! Dude, you were in the air. You were in the air.
that to happen.
You were in the air.
It felt great too.
Oh my Lanta.
Can you film that from down below?
I thought you were going this way.
Yeah, I want to try to initiate and flip back.
I mean, I'll try. That was crazy, dude. Hold on, I want to see the video. Yeah, I would say do the jump and then just go straight into burnouts. Do it on the flat spot though, so you don't dig into it. Like, if you sit planted on this surface, it will dig in. Damn YouTubers, man.
Bro, I did not expect that to happen. That was not on purpose, but it was sick.
This man is crazy. Oh, dang, brother, he brought the freedom to the factory. Yeah. Where'd he go? He's gone. Folks, Adam LZ is gone. What a natural born sender. That's why this guy's allowed in the Freedom 500. Like his style. You guys want to hear a classic prank on any YouTuber? Ready for this? Dude, hey, I wasn't recording. You gotta do it again.
For real?
No, I'm kidding.
I'm down to send it harder.
I mean,
I'm not gonna go out a second, but I can build a little more.
you do you, boo.
Could you tell the jump? You want to try another angle?
I don't think you were as airborne as the first one.
Okay.
But just play it easy. Take it easy. All right, Adam, I'm not zooming in because I don't want to frame the shot bad. Here we go. Oh, he's in the yard. He's in the yard. Hey, brother. Hey, good job pulling the weeds.
I couldn't see.
You're doing a great job pulling the weeds, man. We appreciate it around here.
Air that time?
Yeah, I'd say you were airborne. Let's go. Let's review the footage.
All right.
Let this thing cool off. Oh, dang. Hey, he actually didn't tear up the grass. Wow. He didn't get in the grass too bad at all either.
As soon as I couldn't see, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna hope the pavement's here. So I just went for it.
What do you think? First drive on the Freedom Factory.
I'm really happy with this is really fun to drive. I can't believe how well this drives.
Dude, I mean, you're killing it. I'm glad to see you having fun. There's so much fun having to be out, to be had in this area. It's just like, I didn't think this would be the pinnacle of the excitement.
I just got to make an entry.
I know, I love it.
I'm like really happy with this thing.
Yeah, dude, it did good. What'd your water temp get to?
Nothing, like not
Nice.
200. Just
Nice. Chilling.
It's a good drift car.
Yeah, not bad.
FD maybe? Take an FD?
Yeah, I'll drive it. Oh! Yep, that was the one. It's gone. That was the one. Folks, we got our thumbnail. We got it. We got the thumbnail. No doubt about it. Aww.
This thing gets smoked out so fast that I can't breathe.
Your freaking bumper's coming off, dude.
Oh, did I jump too high?
No, it happened just a second ago. It was good for a minute.
I also need a noteworthy mention. The custom drag racing BC suspension we have on this thing is also great for jumping. In case any of you guys with 370Zs are wondering, can you attest to that, Garrett?
It's pretty impressive, honestly.
No joke, it feels more planar than my Chaser at Minami. I don't know if that's like something that I would expect or not, but this thing's sick. I did not expect to be jumping this thing. Gonna give her a old ripperoonie. He might send it over the jump. Drift in the bank like a pro. Look at him go. We had this conversation. We're like, no drift in the bank. Keep it safe. First pass. Oh, is it getting hot again?
Yeah, the clutch is on the ground for a sec. I'll just start in third. Cut.
All good. Full rip.
Dude, she drives good.
It's fun, right?
It's so weird how this car, like, when you spin it out, it like whips and it like flows backwards.
Yeah.
Like it like catches around there's a lot of grip in the front, and then it just like.
You look great though. I can't believe you drifted the bank.
Dude, I mean, it drives good. It honestly is not. I thought it'd be a lot more difficult with the twin turbo setup, but it like the power band's really good.
It's super responsive. The only thing, you see what I mean? The limiter is kind of annoying because you hit it and then it's like nothing.
Yeah.
Dude,
son of a biscuit.
You hit it. Where else did you hit it?
Right over there. Oh, dang it. Something I'm having to use to. Nailed it.
1 second longer and they would have popped.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
I know.
Look in there.
I saw.
You see that?
Yeah.
When you said